Hello Jitesh, how are you?
Sir, fine. How are you, sir?
Okay, I'm also fine. Thank you so much. So you are joining the class for the first time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In which standard do you study?
Sir, seventh.
You are in seventh. Okay, nice.
Yes, sir.
And Santosh, you are in eighth, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. So can you please introduce yourself a little bit, like who are you? Means in which school do you study? Like
Sir,
Jitesh.
me?
Jitesh.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, my name is Jitesh. I am seventh grade. I am
Okay.
studying in seventh grade of Genesis International School.
Where is it?
Sir, in Madinaguda, sir.
Huh?
Madinaguda.
Is it place?
Yes, sir.
In which district does it means located there?
Telangana, sir.
No, that is Telangana is your state. I'm
Yes,
asking
sir.
you district.
Hyderabad, sir.
Okay, it is Hyderabad only. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana, right?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Once again, let me make one student to join the class. Then after we'll go for that. Okay. Yesterday, what we have learned, you might have known Santosh, as Jitesh was not there in the last class. It means yesterday's class.
Yeah, yes, I actually left my books, sir.
I know, or I will be repeating the things that we have learned yesterday. Okay.
Sir, I forgot a word, but we need to be positive. I forgot a word.
Optimistic. That is optimistic.
Optimist. Optimist.
Another word was, or another topic was observation.
Observation. Yes, sir.
And the third topic was authentic, but we did not start that. We will go for that today. Okay. So let me come back within 2 minutes. Stay tuned. Okay. Just a minute. Jitesh, hold the class. Huh? Okay. I'll be come back. Hello, Advika. Advika. Hi. Good evening. One second.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. 1 second, beta. One second, just a minute. Okay, so please turn on your video. We'll go for that. Let us share me the screen. Means let me share the screen here. Okay, yeah. So can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at here. What is this? Yesterday we have learned and we had started with our what would you say, the class, like personality development. Okay, this is the name of our class. Now it is going on there. Yesterday the very first point we have discussed, and that point was optimism, isn't it? Within these points I elaborated everything as you could understand, and just you get everything from that. That is why I did not go further there, and I explained everything. And most of the time yesterday we spent in discussion only, isn't it? And that is only that how would you enter yourself into the growing thing. Okay, into the growing thing in the sense what, if you are there, so it is, if you're there to develop your personality, so you are must to be very, means not very, but to be talkative, like, understood? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Talkative in the sense you should not talk over the matters which is not related, which are not related at all, even to your studies, even to the topics that you love to talk, or okay, or talk on. So such things we should avoid always. Optimism is something where, now let us come to the topic. Optimism is something where you are always there with positive attitude. We should always look into the coming time a good things, sorry, a good thing. Okay, it means we should not keep in ourselves that no, something would happen like wrong and everybody will blame me and all. Okay, this is not the matter actually. That should not be the matter actually. The matter should be, we should always be positive, we should always be optimistic, so we can have, see, yesterday what did I ask you? The garbage in, garbage out. Did I tell you? Did I tell you? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that is the thing only, that whenever you think something wrong, so wrong output would come out. Something you are going, you are keeping something very bad in mind. So that would also reflect in your day, isn't it? Are you getting, Jitesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So always we should be, how should we
Positive.
be?
Positive.
Positive. Okay. Now you would say, sir, there are a lot of people with positive blood group, but they are not positive. Okay. So that is their blood group. Huh? That is not their mind group. So
Sir,
we
that
should,
is not the matter, sir.
actually, my blood group is also B positive. We always say people like be positive, be positive. Okay. Suppose someone asks me, be positive. Yes, it is my blood group. I say, okay. So always be positive, like no blood group, but with mindset, with futuristic means projects, like, okay, whatever you want to do in your life, that must be very optimistic. It means it's not like you are keeping something to become, and you are just living it in between, or giving up it between, in between. So that would not work at all, isn't it? Your personality cannot be developed at all. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Second point was observation. I told you an example of ideal, keeping ideal. Everyone's means in everyone's life there is an ideal. Understood? So who is your ideal? Who is your ideal? Santosh?
So, what is the meaning of ideal, sir?
Ideal means like personality, some other personality to whom we follow. Like
Sir, as our inspiration, like that.
yeah, definitely, right word. Yes, yes, inspiration. Like means whenever we see that person, whenever we watch his videos or whenever
Sir,
we
we
read his
feel
books.
like a role model for our.
Yeah, definitely role model. Your who is that? Your ideal person or
Yes.
personality. Most of the youths nowadays, or most of the people, or most of the children like you, they keep their ideal some from ideal from film industry, like actress, actors. Those are not our ideal, or those should not be our ideal or role model.
Sir, can I tell my ideal?
Yes, definitely. I just wanted to know you miss you.
Sir, Elon Musk.
Elon Musk, wow. He is
Sir,
very
he is a
optimistic.
great businessman, sir.
No, he is a businessman as well as he is optimistic.
Yes, sir.
He always sees something good in everything.
He
Okay.
is a positive person, sir.
Another thing is he is very enthusiastic.
To learn things.
Yes, he is very enthusiastic personality. Like, okay, he keeps himself very active. He keeps himself very active. Right. Okay, very nice personality you have chosen for your role model. Okay, but sometimes he blurt out. He blurts out like he speaks anything else, like okay, that he should not. Understood? So
Yes, sir.
whenever you observe someone, try to take the good things only, not the things which are not related to our growth. Understood? You should always take the things which are really positive there. Understood? These are very inspirational there, the things, as we many people now to keep them more means, observative or very like optimistic. I see the people, they watch the videos which are made like through some softwares and all. Okay, they watch those videos and they try to become like that, but that is not the case actually, and that should not be. Watching videos, it may be just a reference, maybe just a reference, but ultimately what we have to do in our life, we have to implement such things, isn't it?
Sir, yes, sir.
Really?
Sir, we have to learn new things.
We have to learn every time new things. Okay, we just I just said now before some time that we should see everything, but in everything we should see something good, because everything teaches you something good.
Yes.
Okay? Yesterday also there was a talk over like Santosh, are you remembering that yes, I told you that everything has two sides, every coin has two sides. There is
Dark
positive,
side
that
and
is bright side, and negative, that is black side, dark side, you may say. Okay, bright and dark side, very good. So shall we see the dark side?
Yes, sir.
No, we should not see the dark side. Okay, Jitesh?
Yes, sir.
Don't be confused in dark and bright. The same example you would learn there, like suppose the glass is half filled. How do you see the glass? It is filled with water, so how do you see that glass? Is it half empty, or it is like half full?
Half full. Sir.
Huh?
Half full.
So half full, if you say, so it means you are seeing the things positively. Okay, and if you are saying that no, it is empty, so it would like what would be like it would be a dark side of that thing, isn't it? So
Yes.
observation is must. What is must? Observation.
Observation.
And that observation, from that observation we take some good things only that would be adding us, okay, towards the growth in our life. Third thing that I wanted to discuss with you, see, there are no slides prepared for that. Personality development, whenever you just learn, those things should be learned through the discussion. What you feel and what I feel to impart you through this video or through this lecture, that I'm telling you, and also telling you the things in a very simple sentences like that. Okay, very simple language I'm using here. Okay, so you should get it. Okay, like here also you have to see the positive side, not the negative side, that this that sir has not miss or is not teaching through ppts and all. Okay, don't be like habitual of such things. Okay, third thing is authentic. Authenticness, like authentic should be authentic. What is it? What does it mean? It is its meaning is real. Its meaning is
Real.
real. So, Jitesh, let me know one thing. How old are you?
Sir, 11.
11 years. Would you tell others like you are 15 years old?
No, sir.
Only because you want to just threat someone, like you want to throw the threat someone, like that person, that child is elder than younger than you, and you want to dominate him. So you would not say like you are 11-year-old. You would say no, I'm 15-year-old and I'm very means elder than you. Okay, so don't do this thing. Don't do that. Means you are just showing off there, or you are just spreading the things which are not real, which are fake. We should not fake. Like what happens? Do you know? Fake in the sense now, to tell the things which are fake about us, we need to speak lie. Okay, we lie people. We lie to people, like, isn't it? We do not speak them the truth. We lie the people. Means our two personalities come out from there. One thing is, or one personality is like we are just creating the matter or creating the personality which is fake totally. Second thing, we are becoming liar. We are becoming liar, and that habit may persist in future, and that would very costly for us. That would very costly for us, isn't it? Are you agree with it?
Yes, sir.
So we should always be a real person. Now, to be authentic is a thing like you are respected in the society. You can lead the life respectfully. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Suppose, have you heard that story? I just means to take you on another horizon there now. Have you heard that story that there was a shepherd boy? He always means used to take his cattle or those goats into the jungle, and he just wanted to play a prank upon the villagers. Like
Yes,
he says always like. Just tiger is come. It is eating my goat and all. Please help me out and all. So the villagers they go to help them, but he actually made fun of them. Like they came only because he was just playing a prank upon them only and all. And one day, what happened?
Sir, one day really
Really,
tiger
the tiger comes and it starts to eat his goats, and he was like shivering a lot, and he was hanging in the tree there, isn't it? And
Yes,
when he called the people from the villages,
sir, that didn't
from the
trust it.
village, then
That
the
didn't
villagers thought that he was again playing the prank.
prank.
So did not means nobody had come there.
Yes, sir.
And in this way, he lost his goats or the same thing that we have to play the role of real people in our real life. If you are just playing the words with people, one time, two time, you will be successful, but not for many times. The people would start to just disbelieve you, isn't it? They would not believe in you. They would not keep their faith in you, isn't it? They would say, no, this person, oh, he always speaks like that. So we should not believe him. Like, are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
So what does mean by authentic, Santosh?
Sir, being a real person.
Be a real person in your life. Okay?
Yes,
Because this reality can really make you a real person in life. You will be respected, you will get everything. Suppose many of the situations can be means arise there in our life. Okay, and in which situation which person would help us out there, okay, that cannot be told. And that is why we should keep the relationships very, very authentic there with the people. Understood? We should not like people who are just showing off. If you are going for show off now, people would listen to you one or two times only, but they would not really means trust you again. Really, they would not trust you again. Are you getting?
yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Advika, are you there? You have just turned off your video.
Yes, sir.
Your voice is too low. It means you are not sitting near the device.
Yes, sir.
Now it is okay. You have come to the device now. But still your video is not visible. Now it is visible. Thank you. Okay. So have you got with the authentic or be an authentic person there? Advika?
Yes, sir.
How should we be then?
So, like, we should be real. We should not say lies to anybody.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So how would you implement this authenticity in your life? If suppose this is a small question, everyone please let me know, how would you implement this in your life? Like you want to become an authentic person, so what would you do first thing? This is a very small question, and you may tell your daily experience as well. How would you implement this in your life? Santosh, you are elder in three of you, so how do you explain this?
Sir, like I didn't exactly got the question. So
You did not get the question?
like I got the question, but like how the meaning, sir.
See, so which language do you means speak rather than English?
Telugu.
Oh, that I don't know. And I can't ask you question. You are skip then. No, it's not a meaning. I would like, really, I would ask you that question in another way. Okay? With other words like. So let me know what the topic we have learned right now, this authenticity or authentic person. Okay? So how would you this authenticity means implement in your life? What would you do to get it or to implement this authenticity in your life? Like, this is my simple question there. What would you do to prove it that you are authentic person or personality? Yes, Jitesh, I would come to you. Just let Santosh tell what he is trying to tell us. He is trying to tell us something, but he
Yes,
is not
sir.
getting the word. Right. I can guess.
Sir, like stop pranking others with the lies.
Okay.
Like always being honest, even in small things. Like even in small talks.
Mhm. People would start to believe you then, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are they believing you right now? Means in nowadays? Yes. Advaika, would you please tell?
Yes, sir. Like,
You are not visible.
Sir, 1 second.
I would wait for a second. Now second is over. Advika, second is over.
Yes, sir, 1 second, please.
Again the second is over. You are saying it, asking for 1 second only.
Sir, 1 minute.
Oh my god, 60 seconds now. Okay. I'll be waiting for you. Done? Oh, Advika has come. Now, please, Beta, tell me, how do you implemented this authenticity in your life?
Like for this, we need to be optimistic. We should have everything. We should observe it, and then.
Done. Okay, Jitesh, I will come to you. Jitesh, speak up now.
Yes, sir. Sir, we have to be a trustworthy person.
Very good.
Sir, we have not tell to lies to anybody. They can trust and give us some respect.
Not some, you will get full respect.
Yes, sir.
If you're an honest person.
Sir, they believe on us, sir.
They believe on us, like they feel that the person is very good. We should go to him. We should ask for his suggestions. They may come
Sir,
to
you
you for
can
your
give
suggestions.
some work to him.
Hmm.
He'll do it like that, sir.
Definitely. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Advaik also said very nice. Santosh also told the things which are really related to this. Okay. Now, let us go to the next topic. And the topic would be very, very important in our personality development lecture. Like that fourth topic is, what did I write here?
Goal setting.
Goal setting.
Setting. Now, you people are studying in this or that standard, like, okay, you may belong to different classes or standards, isn't it? Like, very good. Like, Advika is studying in 5th standard now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jitesh is studying now in 7th standard. Santosh is studying now in 8th standard. So 5th, 7th, and 8th, I have different age group people with me now, or students with me now, isn't it? But setting the goal does not mean that you should be grown up well. Like you should cross your 16 or 18, like, and afterwards you will set your goal. This is not the matter. Like, if you want to really become something in life now, so you have to start the things very early. Suppose you guys are having some goals, like you want to become something in life, isn't it? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, someone would like to become doctor or scientist or something like, okay, engineer and all. Okay, what would you like to become, Jitesh?
Sir, businessman.
Okay, your goal is to be a businessman, like Advika.
Like I didn't decide. I didn't decide.
You didn't decide, so that is also a goal, that you didn't decide anything. That is also a goal. Okay.
Is it?
Yes, it is. Then Santosh, you might have decided, like.
Yes, sir. Like, not pretty sure, but I have decided, sir. Not like pretty sure, but I decided.
What did you decide then?
CEO, sir.
CEO. Okay. CEO. There are different kind of CEOs, like the CEOs for MNCs, like multinational companies, CEO for government sector or government officials. What kind of CEO you want to become?
Not yet decided, sir.
Okay, just you want to become CEO. That is also the a prestigious post there. Okay, whether it is in MNC or any company or and definitely if it is in government sector, so it's very nice. Okay, so you people are having some goal, decided. Really, setting goals is one of the motivational thought in itself for us. Suppose you want to become a good player, football player. So what would be your priority?
Sir, can you tell again?
Yes. If you want to become a good football player, the best football player, I would say. So what is your priority at that time?
Sir, playing football very nice, practicing every day.
Yeah, I just wanted to listen to this word, like practice makes man perfect, isn't it?
Yes, sir. It has an idiom, sir.
Yeah, it is an idiom, but that idiom should be implemented in our daily routine.
Nice, sir.
Isn't it? Practice makes man perfect. Like, so goal setting is somewhere like insisting you every time that you have to do this, you have to do this. That does not let us to be settled for a minute as well. If you are a person who has set the goal for his life. Let's say one example, many people are there, like they want to become like your state examinations you are facing or you are attempting them, you know, like national examinations or Indian civil services. If you want to become like, okay, do you know what is Indian service, civil services?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Through which what do we become?
Sir, IPS, IAS.
IPS, IAS, IFS, IRF, okay. Oh, sorry, IRON. Everything we have decided, if suppose you have decided to become such people, so you would have to start your studies wherever you are right now. This is the right time. No time is the wrong time. Every time is a right time there. Okay. There is one proverb in Hindi like jab jage tabhi savera. Understood? It means when you think to do something, that is the real starting of the thing. And once it is started to be, so the work is half done for you. Nobody can stop you then. Because every time that goal would be there in front of you. Okay. Now, these goals, how should we decide that the goals should be there in our life? That should be decided on the time period or time limit, like, okay. There should be a limit for goal achieving. Otherwise, you will set your goal at the age of 18 and now you are 38. Still, you are setting your goal or 28. That should not be there. Okay. It means once you have set the goal, you have to lock it within that period, a time period. Are you getting?
Yes,
What
sir.
you have to okay, do that. One thing is lock your goal.
Set at
Let's
early
say
age.
you want to become in 5 years something, you want to become something in 1 year, or every day, means on daily basis. Suppose you want to achieve something, so that should be your consistency. That will lead you, this daily basis would lead you towards 1 year. This 1 year consistency would lead you towards 5
5 years.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Means the Rome was not built in a day. Have you heard this proverb?
Sir, yes,
The
sir.
Rome was not built in a day. Means nothing is possible to be achieved overnight.
Sir, we can't achieve it in 1 day, sir.
1 day, like, okay.
So we have to do much
The
hard work
right
to
meaning of
achieve
that
our
proverb is like we can't achieve anything overnight. You can't
Sir,
say
we
that
have-
you are going to sleep today in the night and early in the morning you would see that you are sitting in the CEO's chair. Is it possible? No. Or you are sitting in the chair of collectorate or something else. Like if you have some big dreams, understood? So this goal setting the goal would lead you towards your achievement. Like, okay, not now, but in coming time or the time in future. Suppose you are setting something today as a goal, so it would not be achieved tomorrow only. It would take some time, because you'd have to just you have to set the plan first. You have to do the plan first, then after that plan is to be implemented, and
Sir,
accordingly you are going. That should be check on every day, isn't it? Are you getting?
Sir, we
Yeah,
have to do much hard work for achieving our goals.
hard work. So every goal setting needs hard work, or everything needs hard work. Okay, until you are giving your 100%. That means, suppose you want to become IAS, become an IAS, but that kind of study you are not doing. It means, if suppose you want to become IAS, so you need to start your studies early. You would not have to wait for your graduation, because after graduation only you are able or liable to attend the examination, IAS examination after graduation. But would you just wait for it, that you have to complete your graduation first and then only you will be eligible for that? No, you are eligible now. Just you have to study according to that IAS post, not according like 12th standard, 10th standard, graduation. Like, okay, ultimately if you are studying to set the goal to become an IAS, definitely your these classes, what the lower classes are there, like 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, 12th standard, and graduation, those would become very easy for you to be passed out. Are you getting? Okay. It means we no need to wait for a long time. We have to start right now. It is very necessary. Understood? Have you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So every start means, if you are starting everything, that is the right time to be started. Don't wait for the muhurt, like the pandit would come and he would tell you the muhurt, and he would tell you everything, that this planet is at the right place, this planet is not making you to progress and all. Okay, this is not something astrologer. You should not become like. Okay, don't try to become astrologer. Try to become scientist. Okay, so that you can change the position of the planet according to you. Understood? Are you getting? Yeah. So till this today, thank you very much for joining the class. I hope that you have enjoyed the session today. It was very nice with you all. Thank you very much. We will be in other lectures for PD, personality development, in next week. Okay, till that time, very nice time. Thank you very much. Good night. Bye-bye. And
Bye,
do
sir.
watch this video again. Okay, I'm just uploading it. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
Sure,
Bye,
yes, sir.
sir.
Good night.
Good night,
Good night,
sir.
sir. Bye.
Thanks, sir. Bye.